Star Trek is brought to you in proud association with Twaweza Nisisi.
Many a times things go wrong in our villages, schools, communities, even in our country. From potholed roads, corruption, name it. We can choose to ignore this, sit back and hope that someone will come and fix them. For example, government, non-government organizations, or even donors. Personally, when something is not right, I go to the authorities, speak out. I Facebook it, I tweet it, and my personal favorite, I sing about it. Do you know the power of your voice? Will you use it, or will you remain silent?
Twaweza Nisisi. Change is me. It's you. It's us. We talked yesterday. Let's act today.
Welcome back. You're still watching Star Trek and we are tracking talents from various schools. Well, in this segment, we are going to have interactions, various questions from some of the students in Ubuntu Hill School as well as the teachers. So stick around as we continue.
You can't afford me, admit it's just a true little bad friend.
Yo, what's up, Urban TV? It's your boy Bannon. I'm with Mr. Vibes right here. Mr. Viboy, say hello to the people.
Hello people, what's up? I'm here chilling with my man Bannon at Ubuntu Hillside School. Yeah, it's gonna be massive.
Yeah, Mr. Viboy, tell us, how long have you been doing this music?
You first tell us.
I'm interviewing you, man. So are you excited to be here?
Yeah, I'm always excited to see young blood having fun. I mean, I get to share with them.
Yeah, ne towira muko kunugu noga yimana banonga banyumira okutusinga. Remember back in the days we didn't have all this?
Man, we grew old so fast. I mean, nothing to do.
Yeah, that's it. Urban TV. We're right here, Ubuntu Hill School. It's your boy Bannon straight out of Swangs Avenue. Peace out. I always love to talk to people like you. I think I've had an amazing career and I love what I do and I would love to share and inspire whoever is willing to be inspired. 5 questions that made a lot of sense to me and I regretted knowing these 5 questions at a very late stage. The 5 questions are: who are you? What do you want? Do you really know what you want? Are you ready for what you want? And have you done something about it? This is what I think you should all do. When you go back, write those questions down and answer them. I'm telling you the truth. In like 5-10 years, you'll just be ticking those questions and you're like, wow, I made it. You understand? Who are you? What do you want? Do you really know what you want? Are you ready for what you want? And have you done something about it? Yeah? You might say, oh, I want to be a doctor. And you're not preparing yourself to be a doctor. You understand? You need to know, okay, I want to be a doctor. What subject should I, be good at, you know. So it all starts from you. You understand? At this age, prepare yourself to that somebody that you want to be in the future.
How are you guys? Assalamu alaikum. You know the Muslim too, and I'm happy to be among you. What's my name? Musa Hussein Fuhoga. Yeah? What?
I'm Latifa Mojumbe from 4 actually. I've grown up in a family of 3 children. My older brothers are all like, they always give me this thing of, Latifa, sometimes you don't know how to dance, you'll fight and all that. But when I grew up, I got to know that the talent I have inside is only dancing, and I couldn't hide it anymore. So when I watched the clips today and everything, and I've been watching this show for a long time, I've noticed that people faster than me can dance more than I do. So why shouldn't I go out and show my talent? Like, I watch CNN with my dad sometimes. That's when I know about the things that happen in Iraq and other countries. But around Kampala, I always watch up on TV. That's when I know whatever is going around. I know the president. I know what's going on, the conflict. I know we're done with our contract, but all you should do, keep hope. We're going to pass, because this is going to be a blessed year, because it's ahead with a blessed time, and you're going to be the best. I'm very sure.
I'm Kamanzi Majid. Actually, participation in clubs is kind of fun. You get to feel and experience what people really feel inside them, whether you cannot display outside the club. Perhaps it's fun. Actually, volunteering is kind of comes from the heart, because if you really think that you can give out something to anyone or anybody for charity, it's just for the heart and for the people that you live with.
I'm by names of Taroma Ian Mark. Well, about how often I read newspapers, like they buy for us newspapers here, so everyone has to read the newspapers because it's a daily basis. I'm getting informed about what's going on in my Uganda, everything happening around the country. Like, it's so good reading newspapers, and my encouragement is that guys, read newspapers and watch the TV. You'll get informed for Uganda. My name is Oscar, Form 6 Arts. We volunteer every week, the Interactors Ubuntu. We do it like every Saturday, we do it. And the last time I did so, we went to the trading center there and we did everything. We cleaned, we advised students and people around there. Like the students fear the exams because it's like the test we are going to do, and they are not that different. They are sent by people. So after reading, they should run, start working, and they should work hard, by the way. The world ain't easy outside.
Basmara Shamila, Form 5, the school HP. Okay, we read newspapers, then also go on the media. It has really helped us. It has helped us to know more what's happening in our country, even outside the country.
My name is Abdurrahman Chinji. I'm in Form 6. Leadership is something good. It is something that motivates someone. If someone does lead the people, it gives other people what to do in the future. People have to be strong and brave, not to fear, not to be cowards in all ways. So I urge them to be leaders in all places they be.
Yes, my name is Sue Ibrahim, the head teacher of this school. They always get informed because we normally give them like entertainment over the weekend, and we provide them with the news. They normally watch the news, they listen to news, they read newspapers and others. Away from academics, one, we provide them with co-curricular activities. They participate in various games and sports. And then we always provide them with entertainment over the weekend. We provide guidance and counseling with them and others. One, it is like even last week I met them and I counseled them about the prevalence of HIV, and I always talk to them. I urge them to protect themselves, not to rush, because they normally say the direction you take is better than the speed. So I advise them to protect themselves, to keep themselves safe, and normally to keep disciplined.
It's been a very wonderful Saturday. Hope you had fun like I did. I had actually underestimated these students considering they're actually Muslims, but I've been shocked. These guys are good at dancing, they're good at singing, and oh my God, it has just been a very good package here. Well, catch me next time for more on Star Trek, only on Urban TV. I'm out.
Star Trek is brought to you in proud association with Twaweza Nisisi.
Many a times things go wrong in our villages, schools, communities, even in our country. From potholed roads, corruption, name it. We can choose to ignore this, sit back and hope that someone will come and fix them. For example, government, non-government organizations, or even donors. Personally, when something is not right, I go to the authorities, speak out. I Facebook it, I tweet it, and my personal favorite, I sing about it. Do you know the power of your voice? Will you use it, or will you remain silent?
Twaweza Nisisi. Change is me. It's you. It's us. We talked yesterday. Let's act today.